Hello everyone. Today recipe is for Moin, but I don't want to really talk about the recipe used in making this Moin today. What I want to talk about is about the lovely women out there, you know, because some men intend asking you guys, what do you bring to the table every time? That is what I want to talk about. Hmm? Lovely women and lovely ladies out there, whenever a guy that asks a woman, what do you bring to the table, what do you bring to the table, that guy is not correct. I am telling you from experience. How can you be asking a woman, what do you bring to the table? Ladies, whenever a guy asks you, what do you bring to the table, if you want to answer the guy, tell the guy that you bring child to the table. You are the one that goes to the labor room to bring the child, and that child you are going to put it on the table for him. You are still going to make food for him. You will put it on the table. You will take the child to the school. You will bring the child back home. You will bathe the child. You will take care of everything. You will clean the house. What else does he want you to bring to the table? That is what you will ask him. Ask him, does he want you to build the house for him? Does he want you to buy a land for him? I don't understand, because I can't imagine myself asking a lady, what do you bring to the table? Whereas I am the one going for the lady. You understand? If you are a real man out there, you don't need to ask a woman, what do you bring to the table? That question is somehow. Imagine yourself, a woman giving you money. Are you not ashamed of yourself to even collect it? Instead of you asking, what do you bring to the table? You see that kind of thing? It is nonsensical. Hmm? Lovely women out there that take care of their home. Man, I salute you guys a lot. Even this cooking alone is something else. It's a lot to bring to the table, because men can eat. Men can eat. Huh? And it is their wives that provide the food for them. Because you cannot eat raw food. Uh-huh. The woman will go to the market, she will buy the foodstuffs. All you just need to do is to provide the money. And you are still asking the woman, what do you bring to the table? What else do you want her to do? Her body is on the table for you. You will still put it on the bed. You will still do anything you like with it. What question are you asking again? It is somehow. I have think about that thing, and I say, let me even talk about it. Huh? Instead of talking about the recipe using in making this moi, let me talk about the recipe, about this stuff men talk about, because this thing is getting out of hand. And if they leave them, they will still keep talking about it as if they have any point there. Hmm? So lovely women out there, you guys are highly appreciated. Hmm? Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Also Overtake YouTube channel. You all are the best. Love you guys. This moi she's making, man, one in town. No too much spicy. Just seasoning cube, salt, granut oil, egg. That's all. If you have a good woman as a man, take care of her. Appreciate her. Encourage her in everything she does. Stop asking her, what do you bring to the table? Stop being a nagging man. What are you nagging around for? The woman, she is yours. The family is yours. Yet, you intend nagging with her. What do you bring to the table? What did you do this? What did you do that? You as a man, what are you talking about? Have you asked yourself what exactly you are even talking about, if you have a point? Because I don't think you have a point. You understand? If you have a point, you would not go around asking women, what do you bring to the table? What do you bring to the table? After asking a woman, what do you bring to the table? You will still go out in the night looking for a hooker that you give money so that you can put her on your bed or hang her on the table. It is somehow. Eh? Lovely women out there, please comment. Tell me your mindset. Tell me, what do you think about this thing I'm saying? Because you guys bring a lot of things to the table. Don't mind all those men that ask you what do you bring to the table always. You bring a lot of goodies. Goodies. That is what you bring to the table. So many goodies. To the fact that even happiness, you guys bring happiness. You know. Talking this right now, my wife is just smiling. But she knows I'm telling the truth. Men, always encourage your wife. Encourage her, because when you encourage a woman, you bring out the best in her. And when you encourage her, I promise you she's going to support you 100% in whatever you're doing. And whenever she supports you, just know you're good to go. Just know you are good to go. You guys should come and join us. Let's eat this delicious moi. All day, bo. You don't know. Let us go. I am inviting women only. Women, come and join me. As for the men, only you ones that has agbari, because it is not gbogbo ọkùnrin tó jẹ́ ọkùnrin. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.